The Vice President of Liberia, Mr. Joseph Boakai, is calling on African leaders to unite against politicians who manipulate their country's constitutions to prolong their stay in office. The Liberian Vice President made this known today at the second day of the Nelson Mandela Roundtable on Political Development in Africa. According to him, democracy in Africa is threatened by corruption and the resistance of its leaders to respect the dignity of their citizens.
African democracy is challenged by the resistance of its leaders to respect the dignity of their fellow citizens. In spite of the several constitutional reforms aimed at discouraging the perpetuation of power, several leaders have resisted or, in some cases, brazenly attempted to change the Constitution to prolong their stay in power. This we must seek to discourage in much firmer terms by putting into place continental framework. By doing this, we will continue to strengthen African democracy and constitutionalism. My dear compatriot, we must institutionalize the peaceful transfer of power in Africa, develop and build institutions, and discourage the tradition of tribal, ethnic, and religious cleavages that create disharmony in the nation state and stifle popular participation.